When it comes to old special cars like old AMGs, Bentleys, etc., I see a lot of comments like, don't buy it, it will ruin you, it's just expensive, do you know how much parts are, etc., etc. First of all, there are cars and there are cars. You don't buy a V12 AMG and expecting it to be cheap, don't you? I didn't. But of course, perhaps the same people who make those comments are the ones that run to the dealer now and then just to get some small things fixed because they didn't do the maintenance in the first hand. Maybe those are better off just buying an old Toyota Corolla instead. But let's be honest here. I will in this video show you each and every time I needed to open my wallet to get things fixed. And then you can decide if it's expensive or not. Let's take it from the beginning. I bought the car in 2022, and as I said in my Monaco video, I searched around for a long while before I found the right one. It all started with the hunt for Zlatan Ibrahimovic's old CL65 that was located at a museum in Sweden. The museum didn't want to sell, no matter price. Then I found this example in Prague. A nicer spec than Zlatan's, if you ask me. It was just to get in the car and get going down the Autobahn to Czech Republic. Whilst there, it was love at first sight, basically. What do you think? I didn't hesitate for a second. The car was now mine and it was time to drive it home. We drove the car home to Stockholm, and right after it was parked, the coolant started leaking. I was stranded at a parking lot and I didn't have any possibility to fix it my own. So I needed to take it to an independent shop. That summer, before I even started filming for YouTube, they did new radiator, general inspection, which led to new rear brake pipes because they were rusty, new fuel lines to the petrol heater, gearbox service, gearbox sealing, ABC fluid service, and a wheel alignment. Total was approximately 4,000 euros. Then I needed to add new tires, differential fluid, oil services, I did 2 of those, and some extra. The first year and reality hits. And once everything was sorted, I could register and insure the car. I pay 120 euros per month. Isn't that a bargain? So, first year in total was almost 7,000 euros in repairs, maintenance, and insurance. Insurance and tax. Then I didn't add the fuel, but as you see in the Monaco video, this car doesn't drink so much. It drinks a bit, but not too much, I think. It's around 1.5 liters, approximately. I think it's averaging 1.5, but on long journeys you can easily come down to 1.2. Unless it's the Autobahn, then it's like 2.5. Yeah. Second year then, it was also before I started filming and documenting everything, which is super stupid. But I took the car to Kleemann in Denmark, their headquarters, and I gave it a K2 tune, which added a bit of power, and they bled the intercooler system, which was good. I also gave it the oil service that year. In total, I spent 1,500 euros that year. plus insurance. Third year. Now we're talking. Third year. Now we're talking. Everything from last year you have on YouTube. We did the brakes. We found the good Zimmermann replacement discs instead of the expensive ones from Mercedes-Benz. I know it's important to don't skip on brakes, but it was so big difference, and I really wanted to try out Zimmermann, and I've heard so much good about Zimmermann. So the brake discs were almost €1,000. On top of the brake job, we did the full service with new spark plugs, Kleemann air filters, and all the things that was while in there. In total, last year we spent €2,500 approximately, which is not too bad, plus insurance. And now we're getting somewhere. Now we're on to this year, the fourth year, owning this CL65 AMG. And as you may noticed, I have a video on the ABC pump replacement. I went through all the details in the last video, and it was almost €2,400, which is also not too bad. An independent shop quoted €3,000 to do the replacement, and in the price I paid now for doing it myself, I included all the while in do things also, like the belt, tensioners, everything. Go watch that video. It's one of few videos on the C216 CL with the V12 engine. So grand total so far for owning this beast, €15,865. Not including fuel or anything like that, but just maintenance, repairs, and insurance. In my opinion, this isn't too bad. The truth is that I want to show you in this video is what you can expect if looking for the same type of car. You can keep things reasonable if you do your research, stay ahead with preventative maintenance, and either do the work yourself or find a really good independent shop. But be careful, a bad independent shop can easily cost more than the dealership. On a car like this, things can go seriously wrong if you don't know what you're doing. That's exactly why I do the work myself. That way I can only have myself to blame, and at the same time we're learning something new along the way. So again, what do you think? Is it worth it? Please let me know in the comments. Lastly, we're not done with the car. As you saw in the last video, there's an intermittent check engine light on the throttle. I reached out to the V12 guru Clark at V12 IC and will start diagnosing it in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see that.